Let's talk about overcoming the most common SEO mistakes I see small businesses, or any business in that matter of fact, making on their website. Let's talk about those different pieces that are going to make a big difference to where it's going to drive amounts of traffic that are going to matter to your website. I see a lot of people solve their SEO issues by putting ads in and spending all this money to be able to drive that traffic. My belief is being able to get more results by using organic SEO and being able to get you to organically be found by more local customers or more customers in general to be able to get that whole entire piece solved. So let's talk about that. The most common mistake I see is not having the right backlinks. If you don't have the right backlinks in and you're not driving traffic from different directories like Yellow Pages, from voice search, from AI search, nothing you do on your website is going to matter. It's going to be like the field of dreams. If you build it, they're not going to come. You have to make sure that you're driving that traffic. So you're going to start there by making sure your business is registered. Drive traffic from social media and doing all of that stuff. You can watch my other videos. I talk about how to be able to use those tools. We have tools at simplybefound.com that handle those, but we're going to focus on that SEO side. Most businesses are not putting the right schema in place. That schema is going to be how your business is being found and telling those search engines how to be able to find your business. So as you do that, you're going to be able to have, when you put that right information in, it's going to tell those algorithms when they're scanning your website and they're visiting it and crawling it, you're going to tell them this information is the most accurate information you could possibly have. This is the information we do. This is the products we sell. This is what we do. So by structuring that correctly, they know what they're crawling for. The next piece is making sure you have the right title tags, making sure that you have the right description on your business, making sure you have the Twitter pieces, make sure you're doing internal links, make sure your H1 tags and your H2 tags, which is your heading tags, are correct. Now, all this might seem really super complicated and you're like, oh shit, I just built my website over on Wix. I don't know any of that. Great. That is 100% why we built the AI SEO pixel. It takes care of all of this, but adds that human touch. You're going to have an expert, SEO expert behind you, along with them utilizing the AI to be able to bring that human touch in to be able to do each of these marketing pieces. So as you're doing that, you're going to be able to grow your business. You're going to be able to get more things that are going to matter. I don't worry about the likes. I don't worry about the follows. I don't worry about any of that stuff. What I worry about is what's inside of the bank account and being able to drive traffic that's going to get you results, that's going to get you more leads, that's going to be able to help you build your business. Because without any of those pieces, you're not going to be able to keep going down the road, because it costs us money to keep it going. It costs us money to keep everything moving inside of this world. So you have to keep that in mind as you're going through and you're building each of those pieces out. So if you're going to look at the most common mistakes, I would say it is that schema not being there, not the proper information, and thinking about what those searches are. When our AI SEO pixel is working all that, it is looking at the big picture. It's looking at what currently is happening inside of search. It's looking at trends. It's looking at your site, your competition, and it brings all that together, because taking your business and taking its data and turning it into advertising is going to be what's going to get your business found by more customers. If you're looking to be able to grow your business, this is one of the #1 ways you can do it. Make sure you come visit us at simplybefound.com and be able to take your business to that next level. My name's Rob. I've been doing this stuff since 1995 and would love to chat with you. Come to our website, hit us up on chat, and take your business to the next level. Simply Be Found.